Hello and good morning. Let's do a little breathing exercise. Place your hand on your heart. Drop into this space. Feel into this space. It's really important to drop from here to here. These are different. It's real important to be in here. So as I drop down into my heart space, breathe in through the nose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause and release. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if you count, it can break up the thought process to help you be present in this moment. I'm going to go a little bit further. I want you to relax your head, your jaw, your neck, your shoulders, your chest, your gut, your hips, your thighs, your calves, your feet. Just wanted to spend a minute relaxing as we start the day. Thanks for spending this time with me. Sending you so much love and light. Namaste.